What is poppin' pimpins? What's going on? What's happening? Today is a new kind of video. Girl, we are trying on a wig. I know, guys, I know like my background keeps changing. I know, and it's really not on purpose. I just feel like my room is not, I'm recording my room, so like it's so much space you could work with, you feel me? So yeah, but we're here. So we're gonna do a wig install. I've never installed a wig before, so please don't judge. If you have any constructive criticism, it's welcome in the comment section. Constructive, not just criticism. Constructive criticism, okay? And so I've watched a whole bunch of videos on people making wigs, installing wigs, the type of products they use and all that. I've been trying to study people's techniques. Hopefully I do good. Hopefully everything's cool. So yeah, so this is actually not a tutorial because I really don't know what I'm doing. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing. So you guys are just gonna watch me struggle. That's really just what it is. You guys are gonna see me either fail or succeed, and then I'm just gonna be here either failing or succeeding. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna stop talking now. I'm gonna go into voiceover mode. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys the box that the wig came in and all the stuff that came in the box. You open it up and first thing you see is the black wig cap. Don't know why they gave that to me, but oh well. And then you have an adjustable strap that you can sew into the wig, and then the little net that the wig came in. Right now I'm just showing you guys what the wig looks like. It is on my wig head. And the first step in me customizing my wig will be bleaching the knots. So before I go ahead and bleach the knots, I'm gonna put this plastic bag on the wig head and then put the wig inside out on the bag. But first I'm gonna show you guys the construction. It has 3 combs and yeah, and then so yeah, I'm gonna put the wig on the head. Next I'm going to go ahead and do my mixture in the little mixing bowl. I do have that in the brush, and then for bleach I'm going to be using the L'Oreal bleaching powder, and then for developer I'm gonna use the Clairol 20 developer. Yeah, I'm just gonna mix that together. For the consistency of the bleach, you kind of want to have a pasty consistency. That was like too thick, too chunky. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some more developer to it just so it's easier for me to spread on the lace. Yeah, and that was still kind of too thick, but hey. Anyway, just gonna put that all over the frontal and let it sit for I believe 30 minutes, and I'm checking on it periodically.
out the bleach from the lace, and it mostly bleached the knots, but I'm gonna go back in and do it again because it didn't bleach all of them like I needed it to. So yeah, let's just do this process all over. Yeah. So after the second time of bleaching the knots, I was pretty satisfied, I guess. So the next step in customizing my wig will be plucking the front of it so it looks as natural as possible. Just a reminder, this is my first time ever dealing with the wig, so I really don't know what the heck I'm doing. But I've watched videos, so I felt like I knew a little something. But just go ahead and enjoy me plucking my frontal. I just want to say that this is not a good angle for me to be plucking. Like, I couldn't really see for real, just because I was trying to get a good angle for the camera so you guys are able to see. So if it really doesn't come out that great, I tried. The angle of the head just was not for me. So yeah. I just want to show you guys that I'm plucking like the actual hairline, some hairs that actually like the knots weren't bleached. So I'm doing that because I just wanted to look as natural as possible. Everybody's hairline isn't like super straight, so taking some of those hairs out of the front of the hairline really helps. Y'all, I hope I'm not talking too much, but I just want to also say that work in sections. Like, sections are your friend, okay? Work isn't all that bad. Work in as many sections as you need because, hey, why not? Make it as good as you can, okay? Make it as flawless, as slayed, as poppin' as you can, sis. So this is what it looks like after I'm finished plucking. I feel like I probably over bleached the knots, but hey, too late now. So with the hair, I'm just gonna spray it down with some water and get the curls defined, and I'm gonna brush through it a little bit. This is all the shed hair from me combing through it, and now let's get into the install. This is how it looks. The hair is so pretty. It's super soft, curls beautiful. Okay. I'm a weirdo, I know. But going into it, we're gonna get the Gatsby in the black tube, and that's the clear one. And I'm just gonna put that all over my hairline just so I can go ahead and smooth my hair back. I'm also gonna use the Gatsby Free Spray and to hold that in place as well, and use my blow dryer so I could dry in place. I'm not too sure what kind of brush that is. I think it used to be my sister's, but it's really old and it's just hard. So if you want to do the same thing, just use a hard bristle brush to slick your hair down. And then please do not mind my freaking blow dryer. It's old. I'm planning on going to get a new and improved one. Okay? Don't mind it. I know I keep telling y'all this is my first time, but it really is. I was trying to contemplate and think what comes next after that. But I think I got this net thing. I don't even know where I got it from, honestly. But I'm just gonna use that as my cap for the day. And okay. But now it's time to measure the wig to my head. I'm not gonna lie, this wig is small for my head. I'm not too sure like what size cap it is. Plus my head is not big for real, and I don't have much hair under the wig, so I'm not too sure what's up. It could be a small cap, but anyway, it was a little small. It didn't really fit my head like that. And I'm cutting the lace because it was all up in my eyes and I couldn't see nothing. I'm just going to take some 91% alcohol just to clean around my hairline so it helps the wig stick better. Its stuff is strong. It was getting into my eyes and all that. So just be careful, guys. So the next thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and cut slits into the lace just so I can go ahead and secure this down to my head in sections. To go ahead and mold this down to my head, I'm going to use the Got To Be glue in the yellow jar or thing tube, and use this little edge brush thing that has like a little spatula on one end. I'm just going to use that to put the gel all over my hairline so I can go ahead and stick the wig down. I will also be using the Got To Be spray to also secure the wig. I'm just doing 2 layers of the gel and blow drying it till it's tacky. When it gets tacky and it's ready for the wig to be laid down, I'm gonna go ahead, measure up the wig to where I want it to be, and use my comb to go ahead and press it into the gel. I'm gonna use the blow dryer so I could dry it, and yeah, we're just gonna do that, repeat for all of the sections. After I blow dry, I'm gonna use this Alley Pearl scarf that I bought on Amazon, and now I'm gonna use the Got To Be Free spray. Go ahead and spray where I need the wig to lay down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the scarf on it for a little bit and take it off after maybe 10 minutes. So guys, I was gonna go ahead and style the hair here and put mousse in it and all that, but comes to find out I didn't have any mousse because I threw it out when I cut my hair, realizing that I wouldn't need it anymore, but now comes to find out I actually do need it. So yeah, I found that out after I started wetting the hair already. So I'm just gonna continue to wet the hair in sections, and then when I finish with this, that's when I will take the scarf off. So the next step is to go ahead and cut the lace. Once it's been sitting there for a while, I'm gonna have to cut the lace with my scissors. You could use scissors or you could use an eyebrow razor. It's just your preference, your choice. You just don't want a straight line across your forehead. That's all. But yeah, just go ahead and cut in sections, and then after that we'll go ahead and mold it down some more. So now we're just gonna mold the lace down just a little bit more. I'm gonna spray the spray on the back of my hand just because I felt like I was being fancy with it, but honestly, it's not that fancy. And I'm gonna use the same thing, the same side that I used to put the gel down for when I was going to go ahead and glue the wig. Um, yeah, this is just to try to help blend it better. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it, and come to find out, putting it on the back of the edge brush really wasn't that great of an idea, so I went ahead and sprayed the hairline anyway. So yeah, nothing but trial and error. You guys see me switching out tools, it's because I really don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just trying to see what works best for me. I'm using the alcohol to clean off any excess spray or gel. Come to find I could just use water, but I use alcohol just because that's what I've seen on the tube. Anyway, next I'm gonna go ahead and brush out the edges just so they aren't super stiff from the spray and the gel. And now I'm gonna try go ahead conquer some baby hair, even though I fail at it. Okay. After about 10 minutes of letting the baby hair marinate, I'm gonna go ahead and take my powder from MAC in medium dark, I believe, and put it over the lace on my hairline. Just trying to blend the lace better with my skin. Honestly, I don't really have a powder that matches my skin tone exactly, so it's like just trying things. Trying to make it look good as possible. So I'm just using different powders to see what works best. And just the FYI, it's better if you put powder or foundation, whatever, inside of your wig on the lace instead of outside, because it just works better, that's all.
Y'all, so this is how my hair looks. Okay, yeah, this hair is really pretty. It's full guys. Like, heck, it's making me hot. Actually, I'm mad that I didn't put like powder on the inside of the wig, but it's okay. Okay, guys. So I thought I had mousse, right? But I think I threw it out. I cut my hair off and I was like, I'm not gonna need this. So yeah, if I had mousse, I would have when I was spraying the water on it in sections, that's when I would have put the mousse on it, but I don't have mousse. So yeah, that's why it's like back to being poofy. Trust and believe. I don't mind the lion look. Like, I don't mind big frizzy hair. That's not a problem for me. I was thinking about doing my makeup, but I don't feel like it. So, well, not like completely. So I'm just gonna do a little something here with my eyebrows, and then probably not even that. I might just put on some mascara for real.
That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it's not super bomb, but I'll get better once time goes on. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Ayy, so pretty. Gang, gang, gang.